हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन टू माय चैनल। आज मैं एक नया ब्रांड न्यू मोबाइल फोन लेके आया हूँ जिसका नाम है Redmi 12। वेल, आई एम गोइंग टू डू अनबॉक्सिंग ऑफ दिस फोन राइट नाउ। ये मुझे पड़ा, इट कॉस्ट मी नियरली 17,000 and the features which it has, they are mind blowing. So let's do it. So yeah, this is Redmi 12. एंड ये आता है 4GB रैम और 8GB रैम में। ओके, what we have got here, yeah, this is the light blue color, sky blue color. You will get 3 variants. Either you can buy black or silver. I also have silver one. So yeah, putting it aside, this phone has one front camera and 3 back cameras with a torch light, and it has a fingerprint here rather than here. हम देखते हैं यूजुअली फिंगरप्रिंट पीछे होता है, लेकिन फिंगरप्रिंट सेंसर इसका पावर बटन के ऊपर है. So if you just click, so it will open, or if you just apply your fingerprint, then it will open. Here there is the sound button, 2 buttons, yeah. Speaker is only on one side, which is down, and type C charger यहाँ पे लगेगा, and it's 22 watt charger. I will show you, and it gets charged very fast. And apart from that, there is a SIM card slot. I will just show you in few minutes how the SIM card slot is inside. Then yes, you have the headphone jack here and the noise cancellation as well. Let's see the display. Okay, so I have unlocked this phone. Now you can see display is very typical. The one thing which is very shocking in this is its processor. Android 14, this is the latest processor, MUI version 14, and that's great at this price. This price 17,000, and it's very affordable. Which I wanted more was like zoom, and so yeah, you can zoom 5 times, 5x zoom available hai, and 0.5x zoom available. So yeah, any variant you buy, either it's sky blue or either it's the silver, no matter, the price is same. So yeah, this phone is in your budget. Let's see what all stuff they have given us inside the box. So here they have given the SIM card ejector. It's the pin which we usually get. Then yeah, it also gives us the cover. It has the documents which you should read before using your phone. It helps in understanding the key details of the phone. So yeah, the same way the usual transparent cover, but this time they have given it with a little bit of finish. It's not fully transparent, but it's good. Yeah, it's perfect. You can see how good it's looking. Taking all this apart, we get the charger. most important stuff is charging point. We need a battery. If the weather is cold, we need a long-standing battery. If the weather is hot, then it's not a problem. But usually in the cold weather, battery is that what matters. So as I'm staying in Russia, for me battery is very important stuff, and I need a long-lasting battery. You can either insert a dual SIM or you can insert one memory card and one SIM card. So this is the new Redmi 12 introduced by Xiaomi, and I think at the price of 17,000 you're getting such a good phone with such good features. The cameras are good, like the back camera is 50 megapixel, the front camera is 8 megapixel. So yeah, it's quite very well. And look at the finish. What a finish! The glow which is glowing from the foam is really mesmerizing. Fast charging battery, charger is good, the cord is good. That's all for today. Goodbye.